there a mall inside?
Yeah, I don't know. Look, many people are
Here's the
filming.
historical museum. Downtown parking left at Baristo. Okay.
Look at the trees. So does it say anything? Did you look in the news? Unbelievable, what winds.
Isolated showers, mostly cloudy with high near 61, breezy with a northwest wind around 25 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 40 miles. Chances of precipitation is 20%.
Oh, the police is here.
This guy stopped in the middle of the intersection.
Yeah, because he couldn't cross. There were some tree pieces on the road. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Verrückt how the...
Here's
There, left, in there, left, it says downtown, and I think it's a parking structure. Or?
Could be, yeah.
Inside.
Alright.
But I thought we were going into a mall.
I thought we were just